Hey everyone, Edward here at Windows Report, and today I'm gonna show you something super cool, and this is how to use Microsoft Office on the web completely for free. So let's just get to it. What you have to do is open up an instance of your default browser and access the link that I posted in the description below. This is office.com, the official Microsoft Office webpage. Now in here, what you have to do is simply sign in with your Microsoft account. If you don't have one, just make one and then just sign in. So you just have to input your email and password, and then once you're signed in, that's it. You're free to use Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, OneDrive, Teams and OneNote as much as you want completely for free. But note that whenever you're using all kinds of files, your limit is of 5 gigabytes. So this is the basic storage that you have. You can also increase it if you want to, and you can also install any apps if you want to go premium. Like these apps can go on your PC if you have a premium account, otherwise you can just use it online. So the thing is that you need to have an online connection. This is super simple and very easy to use. It's exactly the same as the original Word application, and you can just do whatever you want in here creatively or for your job or whatever. It's completely free and ready to go. As you can see, it looks exactly like the Word application. It's flawless and it works perfectly. And that's it, super simple, isn't it? Of course, if you enjoyed this video and it helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel because it helps us as well to reach to more people. Thanks for watching.